Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the benefits of drinking tea. 1 cup of tea brings freshness to your whole body and mind. These have the magical powers to rejuvenate you from inside. Those who love to drink tea can have twice a cup in a day. There is a myth that tea is bad for health, so many people avoid it. But from the ancient Chinese doctors or healers, they have recommended people to have healthy tea to increase immunity in the body. During the COVID times, doctors recommended people to have more green tea and masala tea every day to fight back the COVID disease. Those who regularly took these type of teas have really benefited themselves. There are variety of teas like these. I have given the examples here. Each one of them has unique quality and healing properties. In winter times and monsoon times, one should take masala tea without milk. One can add clove, bay leaf, cinnamon, ginger and honey to make masala tea to reduce cold and cough. Green tea is always best choice for healthy reasons. And all those teas have powerful antioxidant properties in them to improve your health and bring a smile to your face. So add your favorite cuppa to your daily diet and live a healthy life. Happy living and take care.